Welcome to our guide on how to fix the LG C4 OLED TV remote moving cursor incorrectly. If you've been experiencing issues with the cursor on your LG C4 OLED TV remote not behaving as it should, you are not alone. Many users have encountered this problem, and we're here to help you get back to smooth and accurate navigation with your remote. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to resolve issues where the cursor moves incorrectly on your LG C4 OLED TV remote. Step 1. Resync the remote. The first thing to try when your LG C4 OLED TV remote's cursor is moving incorrectly is to resync the remote to the TV. Here's how to do it. Turn off your TV and unplug it from the power source for about 10 seconds. Plug the TV back in and power it on. Point the remote at the TV and press and hold the home and back buttons simultaneously for about 5 seconds until you see the repaired message on the screen. This process ensures that the remote is properly synced with your TV, which can often resolve cursor-related issues. Step 2. Reset the remote. If resyncing doesn't solve the problem, you might need to reset the remote entirely. Here's how. Open the battery compartment of your remote and remove the batteries. Press and hold the power button for 5 seconds with the batteries removed. Reinsert the batteries and try using the cursor again. Resetting the remote can clear any minor glitches or interference, making sure your remote works efficiently. Step 3. Check for obstructions. Another cause of cursor movement irregularities can be physical obstructions between your remote and the TV. Ensure there's a clear line of sight between the remote and TV sensors. Remove any objects or decorations that might be blocking the remote signal to the TV. Make sure there are no reflective surfaces causing interference. Adjust your sitting position or try moving closer to the TV. Step 4. Update TV and remote firmware. Keeping your firmware updated can help fix bugs that might be causing cursor problems. Here's how. Go to the Settings menu on your LG C4 OLED TV. Navigate to All Settings, then to General. Select About this TV and check for software updates. Follow the on-screen instructions to install any available update. Ensure your remote is using fresh batteries, as low battery power can also affect cursor functionality. Step 5. Customer support and future solutions. If none of the above steps work, it might be time to reach out to LG's customer support for further assistance. They can guide you through more advanced troubleshooting steps or replace your remote if necessary. Remember, keeping your device and remote updated with the latest software versions can prevent many common issues. Always be on the lookout for firmware updates to ensure smooth performance in the future. Having a cursor that moves incorrectly can be frustrating, but these simple troubleshooting steps should help you get back to enjoying your LG C4 OLED TV without hassle. Whether it's resyncing, resetting, or updating, there's a solution for everyone. Prioritize regular maintenance and keep those pathways clear of obstacles to maintain a seamless viewing experience. Enjoy your TV time free of technical hiccups.